easily make money on Crypto Miner Tycoon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make money on Crypto Miner Tycoon.
To get started, focus on upgrading your basic miners early in the game. The key to earning fast is optimizing your income per second. Make sure you're placing your miners efficiently and upgrading their power and speed whenever possible. Next, unlock better mining rigs as soon as they become available. These generate more income and helps you progress faster. Don't forget to automate your operations. Look for auto collect upgrades or characters that help manage tasks so you don't have to keep tapping manually. This allows your game to keep earning even when you're away. Also, take advantage of in-game missions and achievements. Completing this gives you bonus coins and resources which can be invested. Log in daily to claim rewards and bonuses, and watch optional ads if the game offers multipliers or temporary boosts. Lastly, be strategic with your resources. Don't spend everything on cosmetic items too early. Focus on upgrades that actually affect your income flow. And that's how you easily make money on Crypto Miner Tycoon.